Hello, everybody. I thought I would get on here quickly and teach you how to upload a spreadsheet to your newsletter platform. I had a client of mine ask the other day, or tell me the other day, that this was stopping her from sending out her newsletter because she couldn't figure out how to upload her subscribers list. So I'm going to teach you how to do that quickly. It's something, anyway, I'm just going to show you how to do it. I'm going to share my screen. I have a Google Sheet up. I recommend using Google Sheets because you can actually download it in the proper format that it takes. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to share my screen. And I've already kind of got one set up, just a silly one. It's got some names on there, some fun names. Okay, so you can call it subscriber. Doesn't really matter what you call it. I'm just going to call it subscriber upload August 26th. All right. Now, the problem she was having was, number one, this first row up here, she actually did not have a first row. So I'm going to delete that row. So she didn't have a first row up here. And what you have to do is you have to have that first row so you can match it to the fields. Okay, they're called fields. And a field is this right here. This is the first name field. This is the second or the last name field. This is the email field. You may have right here, you may have the phone number field. Okay, so each field is just what it is. Okay, but you need to name the field. The way you name the field is you simply just put the heading at the top. Okay, so she had a Mac, so she didn't right click. She wasn't able to right click, but you can simply use insert and it'll say row, one row above or below. So you can insert a row there, but if you're not working on a Mac, or if you know how to right click on a Mac, you can just right click and then insert it. Okay, so I'm going to name these fields, and normally they're named first name, last name, and then email. All right, now the next thing that you need to do is you need to freeze that row. Okay, again, if you are on anything but a Mac, you can right click, and then way down here it says view more row actions, freeze up to one row, and you just click that. And when you freeze it, it just means that you can't, that it doesn't go anywhere. Okay, but if you are working on a Mac, you can also, I don't remember where it is, so give me just a second. Freeze, there it is. It's under view. Freeze one row right there. Okay, and then that freezes it. And then what you do is you want to download it to your computer, your desktop, your documents, somewhere where it's going to be easy for you to find. Okay, also, some of the newsletter platforms will let you connect directly to your Google Drive, okay, or your Dropbox or wherever. So if you want to save it there, that's fine too. So I'm just going to download it to my computer. So it says download right here, and you want to download it in a CSV, comma separated values, okay? So you want to download it to your computer. We all know how to do that. If you don't, just let me know in the comments and I'll upload a file, or I'll upload a video about that. So you want to click on CSV, okay, and download it to your computer. See, it just downloaded right there. All right. So what you don't want to do not open it, okay? You may be tempted to open it, or your computer might open it automatically. I don't know. I hope your computer doesn't open it automatically, but do not click on the file to open it, especially if you're in a Mac, because then it will convert it to whatever it is. I can't even remember the name of what an Apple calls a sheet. So do not open it. Just upload it directly. Just get on your platform. Go to add subscribers and then import. You're going to want to import your import it. So that's how you do it. You want to make sure your fields are named, and these should match the fields for just about every platform out there. And that's all you have to do. You just have to name the field. Like I said, they're normally first name, last name, email, and then it's going to come up that it matches your field and you're going to say yes. So if you want me to show you that process, just let me know. I wanted to make this video short and sweet. So, because that process of it is what trips some people up. So, there you go. That's it. If you have any questions, just put them in the comments, and y'all have fun. Thank you so much for watching. And if you want me to cover anything else, just let me know in the comments again. Thanks. Bye, y'all.